friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking frozen pizza in the air fryer. So all we need is frozen pizza and a cooking spray so the pizza doesn't stick. So let's open up a package of frozen individual pizza. No need to defrost it, it's frozen solid. So once you get the pizza out of the package, let's take out the air fryer basket and spray the bottom with a non-stick cooking spray. And put the frozen pizza in the air fryer basket. Put the basket back in the air fryer. And let's set the temperature to 400 degrees. And let's set the time to 8 minutes. Now, if your pizza has toppings, please take a look at the basket halfway through the cooking time because toppings tend to fly off the pizza in the air fryer. See, mine was pepperoni, and as you can see, they need to be put back on the pizza because as the air circulates in the air fryer, it blows off the toppings. And if you just have plain cheese pizza, then you don't really need that step. So put back the toppings and kind of glue them back and put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the pizza. Look at that, perfectly cooked. So easy to cook frozen pizza in the air fryer, you'll love it. So now let's take it out of the air fryer. Looks so delicious. Super easy. Now let's slice the pizza. The easiest way to slice pizza, even though it looks strange, but you know, I use scissors, and once you try it, you'll never want to use a knife or a pizza wheel because scissors is just so much easier. Look at that. So easy, no need to struggle. Just cut pizza into slices using scissors. This is going to become your favorite trick. There you go. This pizza is cooked perfectly. Crispy crust. Yummy. Now let me try it. So exciting. So tasty. Air fryer is perfect for cooking pizza. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.